21st, 2020. This is Dr. Wes Fryer, and in this video I'd like to show you how you can create a no-edit selfie video using a program that comes on every Macintosh computer. It's called QuickTime Player. So you can see down here in the corner I have this little window. That's what you're going to need to open up in order to record this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple ways to get it. You can hold down the Command key on your keyboard and press spacebar and just start to type QuickTime Player, and boom, that is going to open it right away. But if you don't want to use that, what's called Spotlight, you can go to your Finder, and inside your applications you can also press the Q key to jump right down to it. If you're not seeing a list, you can change that from icon to list view and then press Q, and you'll be able to open up QuickTime Player. Now once you open up QuickTime Player, you want to go to the File menu and you're going to choose New Movie Recording, and that is going to open up this lovely window where you're going to be able to make your recording. So let's pretend I just wanted to do a welcome video for my students, and I'm going to be doing this let's say for March 30th. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that really quick. Hi students, this is Dr. Fryer. This is our welcome video for March the 30th, 2020, and I am so excited that we're going to get to learn together today. I really am looking forward to teaching you about how to make info pics and how to take those images and text and put them together in a powerful way. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Please go ahead and submit the Google form where you're finding this video, and I will know that you're here, and I'll be checking in with you a little bit later this week when we have our live Google Hangout meet. All right, see you soon today. Bye. Okay, so here that video is. I can push play. Hi students, this is Dr. Fryer, and you can notice up here at the top, I'm going to go ahead and open up another movie recording just so that you can see me as I'm talking. I'm sure everybody wants to do that. And I'm going to make this float on top. Okay, so here's my video that I've made, and what I'd like to do now is basically save this, okay? I'm going to resize this a little bit. So this is the video that I recorded. You can see that it's called Untitled, and so I can go ahead and save it to my desktop was what I'm going to do, and I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to choose Export As, and it gives me some choices. I'm going to choose 720, which is like DVD quality. It's plenty good. If you get a better choice, like 1080, it may be overkill, and that may just make a larger file than you really need. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this icon that'll show me all the locations for where my files are, and then I'm going to be able to click on Desktop, and I'm going to say Welcome Video, and I'll say 30 March 2020. You want to use some naming conventions when you are making these videos, because I just have to resize this a little bit. You're going to have a lot of videos and you're going to want to keep track. So I'm going to just right now save it onto my desktop. Okay, so this video is now on my desktop. If I click to close this and I delete it, it's not deleted from my desktop because it's actually right here, this welcome video. All right, so what I need to do now is just put this up on Google Drive, or if I'm going to put it on YouTube, I could do that. And so I'm going to show you how to do it on Google Drive just by going to Google. I recommend that you well, of course you can go to your waffle here in the corner and you can choose Google Drive. I recommend that before you upload it, you go into the folder where you want to put it. So you can see that I've already navigated to a folder I've made called How To Videos. And there's a couple ways to put it in here. I can click on the New button and I can choose File, Upload. Then I'm going to choose that video from wherever I saved it. So here it is. And I can go ahead and click it right there, and that would upload for me. I sometimes move myself around here. I sometimes like to just drag and drop it, so I can click on my Finder, and then if I click on the desktop, there is my welcome video, and I can drag my welcome video over here and drop it, and then it is going to go ahead and upload for me. Okay, so I know that was a little quick, but the main thing to remember is that you're opening up QuickTime Player, you're going to File, New Movie Recording, and then you've got to choose where to save that, and you'll be going to File and choosing Export As. Okay, so good luck. Hope this goes well for you, and good luck. Well, I guess I should also say one more thing. Remember that this video and other instructional videos are available for actually anyone to link to on support.cassidy.org. And specifically, if you go under Teacher and you click on our modules, this will probably change by the time you're looking at this, but we have links to different learning modules, and this is the learning module for no edit videos. So thanks for watching. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing the selfie videos that you'll be taking in the days and weeks ahead.